Good day everybody, Rob Dyer here from It's a Dyer Thing, coming back to you guys. First off, for any of you new viewers out there, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you guys can get some information and kind of tag along with us on our epic journey. As for those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, again, thank you very much for tuning back in. You may see this super duper awesome setup here that I've got going on as my studio. Let's say there's been some slight changes in regards to my videos and where I get to do my videos. So It's a Dyer Thing will continue to go and continue to broadcast awesome footage for you guys. So in regards to that, nothing will change. Bikes, 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 and all about bikes. Mostly about my Yamaha bikes and Yamaha products. Being said that, let me just do a small disclaimer. This video, or all my products that I obtain and I purchase from Yamaha due to the fact that I work for Yamaha, is not endorsed by Yamaha and nor affiliated with them, so to speak, in marketing purposes. This is all me, myself, and I. So just keep that in mind when it comes to any information that is broadcast to you guys. Anyways, let's get that mumbo jumbo all set aside, and like I said, I'm kind of here in my super ghetto setup, videoing some stuff on a cold winter's night, due to the fact that my bike is at work, and well, unfortunately I'm not permitted to video at work for my channel, so I will bring those stuff home. Today I decided I will do something a little bit different, not just showing you the bike and how to do the installs on the bikes. Let's start fresh and kind of back it up a bit and do a unboxing video. And what better way to do an unboxing video than with the first most important enjoyable product that I like to have, is my Yoshimura exhaust from Yamaha. Now, when I'm saying that, there is a Yoshimura exhaust for your Yamaha. However, this particular Yoshimura pipe was engineered with the team at Yamaha corporate down in US, specifically designed for the Yamaha MT series. Now, that means the MT series for the 7s, for the 9s, the XSRs, FJ09s, and the Tracer GTs. So each of those do have specific mufflers, the slip-ons in the back, but the 3-into-1 or the 2-into-1, those guys are slightly different than Yoshimura pipes itself that you would get from the Yoshimura website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the unboxing here with you. As you can see, we got a factory sealed box, and this is the Yoshimura from Yamaha. You can see hopefully with the part number right there. I'll definitely display and provide all the information down at the bottom. But anyways, without any further ado, let's stop blabbering on about this, get this box opened up, and we can physically see what is the difference between the Yamaha Yoshimura pipe and the regular Yoshimura pipe that you would get from the website. Alright, let's get this. I will get a knife and I will come right back and we'll start and see together what's inside. We're back. I finally got myself a knife here, and so now we are going to, as I said, open up this Yamaha full exhaust system from Yoshimura. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Hopefully I don't poke myself and cut myself doing this. So this is the first time opening it. As I said, again, factory sealed, so you can absolutely see. So this is a true unboxing, unveiling for the pipe. For the most part, I mean, this pipe is already really super light when it comes to compared to the stock box, but this is it's going to be a real mess, guys. I think it's going to take a little bit longer than expected here. Hopefully you can kind of take a look inside here. This has got a whole whack of expandable foam inside this, so I think it's going to be a bit of a pain to get into this. So anyways, let's see if we can kind of, oh my god, this thing is not coming out here. Well, you know what, so to speak, in a way, when it comes to shipping this product, you definitely know that it's not going to get dinged around. It's not going to get any shipping damages or handling damages, just due to the fact of the super extra protection. So in here, the hardware for it, and it's pretty much straightforward. So it does come with the installation instructions. We have here, let's move that out of the way. So we got the actual band here that wraps around the slip-on. We have the registration and warranty card. Oops, I dropped that, doesn't matter. We have the important installation instructions. So again, the 3-into-1 portion pipe works, like I said, for FJ09, FZ09, MT09, and XXR. They all have the same engine layout, so the 3-into-1, the front portion of it, will be the same, right? So the only difference is the back is badged for each model specific. So that's really cool, and I'll show you that once we get it out of the package here. What is really nice about this, and I'll show it to you once we finally get it out, is is got a catalytic converter, which makes it legal, actually, if I recall properly. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it makes it legal in all 50 states in the US, and definitely makes it legal here for Canada. We did some sound tests a little while ago, and the decibel rating on that when you had the baffle inserted was at, for the specifications and how the rules and the regulations of the Highway Traffic Act works, is it has to be under 100 decibels. So it actually rated out at 98 decibels at the proper measurements and the distance from the pipe at the specific RPM, which is anyways all by the Highway Traffic Act. You can look it up and whatnot like that, but anyways, just to say that yes, this pipe is legal and that you will not get any kind of harassment if you ever had to go to court if an officer decides to pull you over for sound issues. That is, however, only when you have the baffle in. There is the baffle that you can remove, the spark resistor, or the baffle, the insert, I guess you would want to call it. You remove that, then you're on your own, right? So anyways, as we're getting back here to the hardware, so we can see we got some mounts here. I got some of the fasteners, and there's the Yoshimura springs, those famous springs that hold the pipe onto the 3-into-1, and then there's the spring tool. So let's continue on trying to unpack this. Like I said, there's quite a bit of mess in there, so give me a couple of seconds. I'll kind of cut away from most of the part and hopefully get it out, and then we'll get a better, closer look at this. All right, so it's definitely kind of messy when it comes to unpacking this. God dang it. There we go. Okay, well, that was that was one heck of a workout, just getting that out of the box. Like I said just a little bit earlier, the packaging on that and the protection of that box is actually really good when it comes to shipping. So to say that you're going to receive something damaged in shipping, I would have to say most likely not. So anyways, now that we're here, let me move this pipe just aside. This is the biggest important thing that I wanted to show you guys, the difference between the Yamaha Yoshimura series pipe and the Yoshimura by itself, I think it's an RS series, an RS77 series or something like that. But this is the same exhaust as I ran onto my 2017 FZ09 and my 2018 MT09 last year. I did do a video of the installation along with a sound clip, which I will tag at the end of this unboxing video, so you can actually see how it's how it's installed, along with the sound clips as well at the end as well. So if you want to check that out, just stay tuned till the end. Right, what a mess. So, anyways. So here we go, we got the absolutely beautiful color, and this super nice smoking hot color of the 3-into-1 for the Yoshimura pipes. So as I was saying, if you take a look at here, right on top of my finger, this is the catalytic converter. So this is what makes the big difference when it comes to the regular Yosh pipe and the Yamaha engineered pipe. So we got the insert here for the oxygen sensor, and then, like I said, you've got the catalytic converter here. And if I recall properly, I think it says here it's also badged in regards to the information as to what this header pipe installs onto. So between FJ, FZ, and MT, this front portion of it is all exactly the same. What happens then is the back portion. So this is where it's truly more unique. It's definitely personalized for your bike. So when you go onto the Yamaha website, both Yamaha Canada and Yamaha US, you have to make sure that you choose your model specific, just due to the fact that the product is badged unit specific. So let's see if we can open this up and kind of get you a nice real clean look. So there we go. So this is the Yoshimura pipe, and again, like I said, you have it where it's badged. So this one here was for the MT09, whereas my previous one was for the FZ09. So that already alone is very unique. It makes this exhaust stand out compared to the other ones. Other than that, it's just basically a straight slip-on, and then once it goes in, it just basically, with the heat, and it expands itself, so it does create a super fantastic seal. We have the holders here for those springs. A nice, beautiful, clean carbon fiber finish. Here, let me try to move my light so you can kind of get the nice glare. Really gorgeous pipe, man. This is super, super nice. The insert is right in here already, so this is what makes the pipe absolutely quiet down when it's installed. If you ever go do some tracks and stuff like that, then that's where you take it off and let the ponies roar from your bike. To take the baffle out, simple enough. Behind the pipe here, you got a little rubber plug, and behind that rubber plug is just a Allen screw bolt. So you basically take the bolt out, the whole baffle slides off, and yeah, like I said, listen to the ponies roar. So next thing that we've got to do with this is just actually get it installed onto the bike. But like I said, go to my other video that I have posted last year or the year before, if I recall properly, of the actual installation on the FZ09 MT09. And then if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, comments, jot them down, shoot them over to me. I will respond to all of you guys. Again, thank you very much for all your support. Thank you very much for all your views, your subscriptions. It's cool doing this with you all. Again, I hope you all take care, be careful, be safe, and as we progress through the installation of all these products that I have, soon enough it will be springtime and we'll get to go and ride, and that's where the videos will definitely start rolling out a whole lot more. So thank you, be safe, be good, take care. We'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.